The benefits of eating salmon and a great recipe. Eating salmon is one of the best options when trying to live a healthy life without giving up delicious food. Salmon is low in saturated fats, and it has omega-3 fatty acids. Because of this, it helps with your heart health. Also, it has a delicious flavor. This makes it a practical way to please your palate. Also, you should eat fish 2 times per week. In this article, we want to tell you about each salmon's properties, its benefits, how to prepare it, and more. Take note and discover some reasons for eating salmon on a regular basis. Salmon's nutritional properties. This fish has large amounts of omega-3 fatty acids. These acids reduce your levels of cholesterol. This is great if your blood tests have shown elevated levels. It's also a good thing if you have a family history of related diseases. Each 100 grams of salmon has 11 grams of healthy fats. Healthy fats help your body to have energy and carry out your daily tasks. If you're afraid of eating fat because you don't want to gain weight, here's something you should know. Your body needs healthy fats. These are found in foods like avocados and salmon. Salmon is also a source of proteins and minerals like magnesium, iodine, phosphorus, iron, and calcium. It also has vitamins that keep your thyroid gland and intestines in good working order. Because of its high amount of vitamin D, salmon helps with forming your skeletal structure and strengthens your bones. If you have a deficiency or a family history of osteoporosis, take note. You should be sure to eat the right amount of calcium together with vitamin D. This is the best way of preventing fractures and other problems as time goes on. The health benefits of eating salmon. Because it has a high content of omega-3 fatty acids, salmon fights high blood pressure. It also reduces the likelihood of suffering from heart attacks. Eating omega-3 fatty acids reduce the risk of suffering from an arrhythmia by making your heartbeats more stable. They help your blood flow. And they prevent the formation of blood clots. Because of its high vitamin A content, salmon helps you fight infections. And it repairs your muscle tissues. It increases your brain health and memory. It's a good idea to eat more salmon if you have a family history of dementia, Alzheimer's disease, or other degenerative brain diseases. Salmon prevents cholesterol from sticking to the walls of your blood vessels. the beauty benefits salmon gives you. Among the other benefits of eating salmon, it has anti-inflammatory properties that fight premature skin aging. The alpha-linolenic acid that is present in omega-3 fatty acid reduces skin's flabbiness. This helps you to get smooth, firm skin. Salmon contributes to the absorption of vitamin C and D. And these vitamins help with skin, muscle, and hair growth. Thanks to their properties, salmon helps you to fight skin problems like rosacea and psoriasis. It also helps to prevent skin cancer. It reduces the skin effects and damage caused by sun exposure. The best options for eating salmon. To fully enjoy the benefits of eating salmon, the most recommended thing is to cook it in a healthy way. This can be steamed, grilled, or baked. Also, you should accompany it with a good serving of vegetables. If you fry it, it's likely that you'll lose some of its properties. And doing this adds fats that neither give you benefits nor improve the flavor. Below, we want to share a recipe for salmon that you can make at home. It's very easy to do, and your health will thank you for it. Bake salmon with lemon. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of olive oil, herbes de Provence, 1 salmon fillet, 1 lemon, salt, optional. Instructions: preheat your oven to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Put the olive oil and herbes de Provence in a baking dish. Clean the salmon to make sure that it doesn't have any bones. Place it in the baking dish. Cut the lemon in slices so that they give off more flavor when they are baked, and spread them over the surface of the salmon. Put the baking dish in the oven for 10 to 20 minutes. Don't leave it in there longer than this or your salmon will be too dry. You can control the cooking by moving with a fork. After it's done cooking, take it out of the oven and it'll be ready to serve. You can accompany it with whole rice or grilled potatoes and a nice green salad. To eat salmon in a healthy, delicious way, you just have to bake it in the oven. And you can season it with spices or aromatic herbs. You can change the combinations to find what tastes the best to you. There are multiple benefits that come from eating salmon. And it's so easy to prepare. There's no excuse for not including it in your diet. Remember its delicious flavor and the reasons that we gave you for eating, and you'll be sure to see its benefits.
Yeah.